Have you ever wondered about the silent, unseen heroes that make our daily lives easier, more efficient, and safer? Yes, they are sensors, and their importance in our daily lives cannot be overstated. They regulate temperature in our homes, monitor our health through wearable devices, assist our cars in self-parking, and even help spacecraft navigate the vastness of space. But did you know that all sensors are not created equal? Indeed, there are two main types: passive sensors and active sensors. Each of these sensor types has its own unique characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start with passive sensors. As the name suggests, these sensors are quite laid back. They don't emit any radiation, which makes them covert and undetectable. Instead, they generate an electrical signal in response to a stimulus, relying on a locally generated or natural source of radiation, such as sunlight or a gravitational field. Passive sensors operate across a wide range of frequencies, from extremely low frequency, or ELF, to gamma rays. However, this passivity comes with its own set of challenges. Passive sensors are prone to feature ambiguity and errors of scale. Their availability isn't always guaranteed, as they depend on factors like contrast and light levels. Despite these challenges, their simplicity provides a level of reliability that is hard to beat. On the other side of the spectrum, we have active sensors. Unlike their passive counterparts, active sensors require an external power source for their operation. The sensor modifies this excitation signal to produce an output. Active sensors are often matched to the target characteristics, making them efficient. However, active sensors come with their own limitations. They are restricted to frequencies that can be easily generated and radiated, which excludes part of the far infrared, ultraviolet, and gamma ray spectra. Furthermore, active sensors are easy to detect because they radiate, so they're not covert. But on the bright side, they enable long-range operation. However, their complexity makes them less reliable than passive sensors. So, to summarize, passive sensors directly generate an electrical signal in response to a stimulus, and they rely on a locally generated or natural source of radiation. They are simple and reliable, but can have issues with feature ambiguity and availability. Active sensors, on the other hand, require external power and are often matched to target characteristics for efficiency. They can operate long-range, but their complexity can reduce reliability, and they are easy to detect due to their radiation. So next time you find yourself marveling at the ease with which your car parks itself, or how your home maintains the perfect temperature, remember the silent, unseen heroes, the sensors. Understanding how they work, whether they're passive or active, helps us appreciate the complexity and elegance of the technology that shapes our daily lives.